case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2006, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard LSData Inc. v. Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department, a case centered on copyright infringement and its potential financial consequences for unauthorized use of copyrighted work. The Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department had purchased licenses for LSData's software but installed it on more computers than they had licenses for. LSData sued the Sheriff's Department for copyright infringement, claiming that the unauthorized installations had violated their copyright. The defense argued that the total number of workstations accessing the software did not exceed the number of licenses purchased due to the computer's configuration. However, the court disagreed, finding the Sheriff's Department guilty of copyright infringement. The court awarded LSData $210,000 in damages, $516,271 in attorney's fees, and approximately $38,000 in costs. The Sheriff's Department's attempts to use fair use and essential step defenses were rejected, leading to the affirmation of the district court's initial decision to grant damages, attorney's fees, and costs to LSData.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.